Okay, so I felt cute today and made a get ready with me video. Mini twists and simple everyday makeup. I'm just gonna talk through it though because I'm not doing all that editing work. So this mini twist took me about 4 hours to do, but this style and getting ready took me about like 30 minutes. So real simple, I just braided my hair to lay back into little cornrow thingy things and put them in, okay, I'm moving too fast. All right, I tied it down. I'll drop the products. Oh man, I'm really going fast. That's primer, and now I'm doing my eyebrows with this gel, tinted gel. Lining my eyes with liner. Can you turn that off, please? With black eyeliner. Then Face and Body by MAC foundation. Hate, love relationship with them. I'll say why later. Then I fix up my eyebrows with foundation, not concealer, because it's supposed to be simple and everyday and don't be trying to look too deep. Now I'm using some powder to, set the foundation. I use 2 different colors, dark on the outside, a lighter on the inside. Again, I need to explore and find some new powders, but whatevs. Then I spray my goddess spray, and while that's drying, I do my mascara. You cute, boo, you cute. Then I line my lips with a darker lipstick, and I'm out of breath, and I'm just talking. Then I put on a matte lipstick on top of that. Real simple, real quick. Bam! Ooh, look at them edges. Bedazzled my hair. And that's it. Thanks for watching.